Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. Here we are in Marmaris still. We're just outside Marmaris Shoes. I'm going to take a walk down. So if you've been following, even if I put them out in order, because you know what I'm like. I've even put the travel day one out, yeah. Well, we'll be out by the time you lot see it. But yeah. I said I'd walk back this side.
Hello.
Hello guys, you okay?
Boss, I'm fine.
How much for a big bag, one of these? How much?
Yes.
Yeah, how much?
Lira or euro, English money?
English money, the big one. Yeah.
This place here.
How much?
You first like which one like, boss? Look.
Good, what's...
Black one, grey, this one. Look, I have these size one, please.
Yeah, we'll have a look.
Okay.
Probably different colours, so it stands out.
Yeah, which color do you like? I show, please. Yeah, silicone, please. Boss.
But what price?
Lira or English money, please?
English.
English money. This one 75 pound, boss.
Okay.
75. Look, this one 60 plate.
60, okay.
60.
Right.
They are silicone, boss.
Silicone,
For
yeah.
example, I show you.
Yeah.
The plastic one is like this.
Yeah.
Plastic is not good size, like the quality, like this one.
Yeah.
Look, for example, plastic people not buy, boss.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I mean. Look.
Yeah.
That's why we don't buy. People don't buy, you know.
Yeah.
For example.
So yeah, this one's gonna be perfect.
No problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
For example.
Just pop straight back out. Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's carry on.
It's not bad though, is it?
No, really good prices in Billy's. So guys, if you can like, comment, share the video with your family and your friends, it would help us millions. It really would help us.
TikTok, we'll be doing some TikTok shorts for this holiday, so make sure you go over to our TikTok, same name, Wagwan Tours, and get yourself on there as well. Please, the platform.
What's this? Oh, hotel. Right, let's keep going. As you know, the beach is on this side. You know where we're heading down towards. We're heading down towards Blueport. I did want to stop at, I think it was Pop In. Pop In wanted to give us a beer. So I might pop in. I was getting their balloons ready for tonight. So yeah, I might pop in there. How many times I can say pop in? There's the boys again on the corner. Who wanted to say hello last time. Make sure we don't get run over. Flamingo Hotel. Check that one out. Nice trees there. Looking after their trees. So yeah, building up the new hotels. Up there, you've got the Apple restaurant and bar. I'm not walking up any hills. I quite like that about Marmaris. It's like, unless you live up them them hills, it's flat. You can walk for ages and ages. Really good for us. We'll be walking. It's a lovely little restaurant here. You're taking your coffees in there. Self-service. I don't know what that means. No name tours, no name everything, everywhere. Secret hair. Very busy. Must have a little restaurant as well or something. You can see it. So you've got the steakhouse over here. £5 tops, £10 jumpers. Got the Formula One. I thought the Formula One had finished. Everyone enjoying themselves, you alright? Everyone enjoying themselves. Oh, okay, Denmark. I thought the football had finished. Oh no, sorry, not the football. I thought the Formula One had finished. Whew, where did he come from? So, more clothes, Star Shop. All the good clothes. Crown shoes. Aircon outside, not plugged in. £10 jumpers. Okay, Poppins over there. That's what we do. Where's she gone? Oh, she disappeared on me. Got the deal shoes there. Got all your football tops. Hello. Get your handbags, plenty of bags. Cash. 54. Went past one place and they had it at 56. 56.50. And then on the rest of their boards they had it at 54. Like I said, it's gone up 4 since May. Which I guess is good for us. What's this place? I don't see a name there. Just cocktail bar. Oh, I can't read it. Oh, Golden River. Buy one, get one free. £8. So £4 a cocktail. It's not too bad, £4 a cocktail. Best bags. Two sock backs. It's not bad. Majestic. So let me know in the comments, but some of them look a bit more upper, like they've got more leathers. Are the leathers worth it? Or are they just the same, but just marked up? So you got Junior Oscars. Hello. Everyone enjoying their sounds. Over there you got the pop in. Right, from one shot, I've got to keep going actually. I was going to pop in. So if you're watching this, mate, thank you for the offer. So this is a little shopping centre here, isn't it? So you've got a pit stop here. Looks quite busy. Guess that's got the deals. Chicken kebab 200. Oh, look at that, the fresh corn, everything. Hello. Look at that. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like, share, ring the notification button, share with all your family. We love coming to Turkey, Marmaris. Let's keep going. So what we got here? I'll spin you around. Okay, you got watches. What I've been told as well, if you come to these watch shops, these ones that you see, the face ones, they're all not top quality. But then if you ask them, they will take you to another part of the shop or another shop, which is a bit more hidden, where they do a lot more expensive. You know, you're going to pay 100, 120 for a watch, but better quality. I'm not a big watch person, I don't ever wear watches because they always break on me. Every time I get a watch, something happens and my watch breaks, so I stopped wearing watches. Stopped wearing them a long time ago, to be fair. Yeah, what's this one here? Mr. Billy's shop. Same as Billy down there. Maybe. That's his clothing shop, I guess. Nice UV. That's got a Portugal, everything on that top there. It's a big mismatch, you know. Big mismatch of teams on that top. Had Juve, had Portugal, had fucking Real Madrid. Everybody football top. But guys, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, share, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.